iSupport chat features. Use the chat window on the desktop to send messages to other support representatives and to customers using a MySupport portal. The colors for the fonts and elements in chat windows can be customized. You can include other support representatives in a chat via the Add Rep to Chat icon. You can use the emoji icon to display a menu of emoticons to include in responses and attach files via the Attach File icon. You can automatically open a chat when an unavailable support representative becomes available by clicking on their name. An Open Chat When Available dialog will appear for entering an amount of time in which to automatically open a chat if they become available. Customers can initiate a chat via a chat button, link on the navigator, or a flyout dialog on a MySupport portal. You can enable the chat button to display to unauthenticated customers. If chat is configured for users that are not authenticated, a dialog will appear for the user to enter their name, email address, and question. Otherwise, a dialog will appear for the user to enter a question. When a customer using a MySupport portal requests a chat, the chat window will have an Accept Customer Chat Request button and by default a green header bar. If enabled, a countdown will appear on the button. If automatic incident creation is enabled, a link to the newly created incident will display at the top of the chat dialog when the chat is accepted. A template can be applied to the newly created incident. If automatic incident creation is not enabled, icons will be included for adding the chat transcript to a new or existing incident. An automatic initial response to the customer can be configured, as well as other responses that can be selected during the chat. If you need more information about the customer, open the customer's profile record via the View Customer's Profile icon. You can configure the message that appears when the support representative ends the chat, as well as a request for feedback when the chat ends. Support representative chat is enabled by default, but you can disable or re-enable the feature via the Global Settings configuration screen. Automatic creation of incidents, request acceptance and completion messages, and feedback requests are set for groups on the Chat tab in the Support Representative Group screen. You can also schedule support representative availability for chat on this tab. MySupport Chat is enabled by default. You can disable or re-enable the feature via the Feature Basics screen. Use the Chat Theme screen to configure the colors for the fonts and elements in the chat dialogues between support representatives and customers on the desktop. Use the MySupport Chat Responses screen to create sets of text for support representatives to select in the customer chat window. You can use the Include field link to add the first or full name from the customer and the accepting support representative's profile record, as well as the number and URL of the incident created when the chat is accepted in the response message field. Use the My Support Options screen to configure placement of the chat button, a flyout request dialog, and request timeout options for a My Support portal. If you wish to include a link in the My Support navigator for starting a My Support chat session, add it via the My Support portal's navigator screen. If you wish to enable iSupport's My Support chat feature to be hosted on other websites, configure external chat via the External Chat tab in the MySupport portal screen. If you wish to send a chat transcript in a notification, you can use the Customer Updated via MySupport chat event in Customer Rules and the Chat Transcript Include field in Notifications. You can also utilize the Incident Updated via MySupport chat event in Incident Rules. If you wish to create custom views involving chat requests from customers on a MySupport portal, Use the MySupport chat requests data source in the View Designer. Administrators can view the details about chats between support representatives via the Rep Chat History screen in the Configuration module. You can enable browser notifications for chat requests. A browser-based dialog will appear when an incoming chat is received. You can click it to open the chat on the iSupport desktop. That's it for an overview of iSupport's chat features. If you have questions, be sure to consult the online help. Our support team is available for a more in-depth walkthrough. Contact them by email at support@isupport.com and by phone at 360-397-1099, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST, Monday through Friday, and 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST, Saturdays and Sundays, for critical system failures such as installation errors, inability to log in, or inability to create work items. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, to chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.